Today we're unboxing the Casio Timeless W220HF 3AVEF, an underrated compact digital Casio for only $50. Make sure to watch until the end for a special discount code. Inside the box you'll find the original Casio packaging, along with the official international warranty card. The reference number is W220HF 3AVEF, and this model is part of the Casio Timeless collection. It features a compact resin case with a clean, functional bezel, designed for everyday wear and easy readability. The case measures 43 by 36.6 millimeters and has a thickness of just 10.9 millimeters. The lug width is 18 millimeters, giving it a balanced and comfortable fit on the wrist. You get all the essential Casio functions, including time, date, dual time, stopwatch, countdown timer, and alarm. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. It feels extremely lightweight and comfortable, almost like you forget you're wearing it. And once again, this is how the watch looks on my wrist outdoors, in natural daylight, where the green tones and amber display really stand out. Personally, I think this is a great everyday Casio.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.